Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make two versions of the classic daiquiri. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. On today's video, I have two shakers ready to go and two glasses because we're going to make two different versions of the classic daiquiri. The daiquiri likely gets its roots from a drink called the grog, a drink which is favored by British soldiers that combined their watered-down rum rations with lime and sugar to make a tasty way to combat scurvy while they were at sea. When refrigeration became popular in the 1800s, it allowed ice to take the place of watering down the rum, and the daiquiri evolved. Nowadays, if you're at a resort, on a cruise, or a lot of the bars that aren't very cocktail knowledgeable, if you ask for a daiquiri, they're likely going to grab their blender, start making you some sort of sickeningly sweet strawberry or other fruit-flavored frozen daiquiri. But today on The Blind Pig, we're making the traditional 3-ingredient version that we're huge fans of, and we think you will be too. So to start off, like I said, guys, we're making two versions of the cocktail here. That's why I have two shakers out. We're going to make the traditional version and also a spicy version because I made a Habanero Simple Syrup for a previous video, which I'll link below. I think it could work pretty darn well in this drink as well. I've never had a spicy daiquiri. I've had plenty of the regular daiquiris. Let's see how it goes. So to start off, for both versions, we're going to use a white rum. Usually I try to use a higher end rum. I only have Bacardi White as my white rum. You definitely don't want a dark rum. I've got quite a few varieties of dark rum back there, but a white rum is going to be the ideal choice for any kind of daiquiri. So we're going to use 2 ounces in both these. I already have ice, by the way, in both shakers, ready to go. There's 1 and 2. All right, both these are getting 2 ounces of our white rum. Again, 2 kinds of simple syrup here. I have the store-bought stuff. Usually I avoid it. In this case, though, I don't have any homemade regular simple syrup. I have multiple variations that I've made of simple syrups. I have a pumpkin. I have a habanero. Don't have any regular, so I actually use the store-bought stuff. It'll be fine for this cocktail. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of that. 3/4 of an ounce there. And then for our spicy version, we're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of my habanero. Since this is made with real ingredients, we give it a quick shake as well. Kind of mix the ingredients together. 3/4 of an ounce of that. I also used Demerara sugar for this, which is why it's so dark. It'll be a different colored cocktail for sure, but should taste delicious. And then for both these, we're going to use 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Fresh lime juice is extremely important for this one. That cheap stuff you buy at the store is just not going to work for this drink. You want fresh. Squeeze a few limes here, got them already cut. There's that one. Didn't have a full ounce there. Not sure why I poured that, but that's all right. I saw I had about 1/2 of an ounce. Get another 1/2 in there, we'll be good to go. There we go. All right, now we're going to shake both of these. Do the 2-handed shake. Once they're chilled to the touch, we're ready to pour. Let's get our coupe glasses ready here. And let's see how we can pour. Look at the colors here. How different they are with the simple sugar clear stuff versus the habanero. Ooh, these both look delicious. For our garnish, we already twisted a lime peel. Go ahead and toss that on top. And let's give these both a shot. First, the classic. Cheers. Oh, it's such a good drink. Honestly, it's ruined when you add strawberry puree, like that gross sugary stuff, or banana or anything else. Sure, they're fun in hot weather, but really, a regular daiquiri, it's 3 ingredients. Why ruin it with a whole bunch of other stuff? This is just fantastic. Yeah, that's the spot right there. Again, I have not tried this yet. I hope it works. This is a habanero daiquiri. Give it a shot. Quite a bit of spice there. Oh, that is good. The lime, the sweetness of the rum and the sugar helps a lot in the back end, though. Oh, both those work quite well. So, guys, I'm going to finish these both off camera. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. Cheers.